Hey guys, Colin here for Spare and Outdoors, and this little upload is of a giveaway that we're doing. It's just a little competition, just to say thank you to everybody that's been supporting our channel over the last couple of years. Now it's not a massive big prize, but it's a little bundle of, I suppose, outdoor essentials, and every one of these little items will be very useful in anybody's outdoor kit. There's some very important items in it, and there's some, well, maybe not so important items, but still very useful. And I've tried to keep the items very simple, for the reason being for shipping. It means I can ship them anywhere in the world, because I was going to add a wee bits of things like stoves and fuel and the things with batteries and stuff, and it's very hard to ship to certain countries. So I've kept it fairly neutral that way, and it should be easy to send to any country, to anybody who takes part in the competition. And the way to take part in the competition is very, very simple. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment in the description under this video. And that's how you enter this little competition. And we'll do the draw for this competition probably in August at some stage. So I'll take you through the little bits and pieces that we've got. Nothing well exciting, but still bits of useful stuff here for an outdoor kit. A survival blanket, a reflective survival blanket, very handy. A heavy duty rucksack cleaner, keep everything nice and dry in your rucksack. One of my favourite items that should be in everybody's outdoor kit is the emergency survival bag, or a bivy bag. Really good bit of kit. The Vango Ignite fire starter. You've seen me, I've done a review on this and I've used it quite a lot. It's a very good little fire starter, and yeah, I would recommend anybody to get this one. So this is a nice little part of the kit. We have a little first aid kit. Again, it's a fairly useful wee kit. You can add whatever you want to it to make it more substantial, but it's still a nice handy little kit to have. A whistle, another very important part of your safety gear in the mountains or the outdoors. A little knife sharpener for your wee pen knives and things like that. Keep them in, I suppose, top-notch condition. And a little one-size-fits-all olive beanie. I picked one for olive. It's a nice green, very outdoorsy colour. And that's the little kit that, if anybody wants to take part to try and win this little prize, is, again, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment. And the other thing we do, anybody who leaves a comment in this video, I'll do a shout out at the time of the draw. So everybody will get a shout out who comments as well. We'll get a shout out at the time of the draw, and I'll do that in August at some stage. Again, it's nothing too exciting. There's maybe a retail value there of £40 to £50, which is not a lot. But again, very simple to take part. As I'm going to say it one more time to be sure. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment. The other thing I want to tell you, we have a few videos there to go online, but I thought I'd leave them to later on in the week because I just haven't got around to, I suppose, editing them. I've been a bit lazy, but we'll get them up before the end of the week. And I have another thing I have to do. There's two channels that I really want to mention. I want to give a shout out to. They've been supporting our channel for this last while, and they've been great supporters, and they both have two brilliant channels. An interesting thing is they're both on the opposite sides of the world. One is Jim Timber, a really good channel, and as I said, he supports my channel a lot, and I want you all to go check out Jim Timber. He is a guy from the UK who actually has lived in Poland, I think, for the last couple of decades, and he does brilliant wee videos of places in and around Poland and things like that. And I don't want to really say much. I want you to go check him out, check these channels out. So go check out Jim Timber. And the other channel I want to check out is a guy from the US, and it's called Minute on the Mountain. Now go check out his channel. Again, I'm not going to say too much about his channel. Just go check it out. The title of his channel sort of gives him away a wee bit. But go check out these two fantastic channels, Jim Timber and Minute on the Mountain. I'll leave links in the description, and go check them out. And again, this little giveaway is just for saying thank you to everybody. I've been wanting to do this for a wee while, I just never got around it. It's not an amazing prize, but it's a very useful prize if you get it. And hopefully I'll get a few more outdoor uploads towards the end of the week. And we'll see how we get on. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck if you want to enter.